Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
I'm glad we got that sorted out.
Rookie! Pat!
Kyle,
What's going on?
over there.
Huh?
See ya, soldier. Come on by Sergeant Surplus Hut for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus. Peter, getting food caught in your throat is quite dangerous because it makes you unable to breathe.
For the will is built for today's great exhibition of speed.
Be 20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go!
Man, now I got dirt in my wheel.
I hope you got your drip pan.
Got my drip pan and I'm taking my nap.
Bring it on, old man.
Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like this in...
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I would. No. You are not winning this.
You're angry.
I am not angry.
You just gave up the piston cup. You know that? Ah, this grumpy old race car.
Who'll be jamming now?
When I see something that I don't like, I gotta say it.
I'll collect more things with more effort.
Huh?
I may run out of space, so...
Confetti! Ow! Easy with the confetti. What's going on? Come on, snap some pictures. I gotta go.
Hey! Act civilized. We got company.
Oh no, Snot He's gonna blow!
It's going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
The spot. See it right there? In the hood, right there.
Persistent little bugger for a 2-cylinder. Finally, I said, all right.
Sterling, why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
¿Te gusta nuestra tierra?
independent panel of scientists has determined that all in all is completely safe, okay? Safe.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil companies got a grip on the government! They're feeding us a... Alright, if you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut.
Did I tell you how much I love your mud flaps?
Out of my way,
I
bumpkin.
got my fishing flaps, got my...
Ven, tractorcito, ven aquí. Sí, qué gran tractor. No, 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 no.
Signorina Sally. It is official. Lightning McQueen is the luckiest car in the... They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari. Which one of them looked more like a Ferrari?
What's going on, ladies? All righty now, let's have us a little look.